Hey guys. I know. Missing in action. That's me. All right. I apologize. I know it's been quite some time, but I don't want to get on camera unless I got something good to say. And actually, you guys, I just wanted to share this with you because those of you who might follow me on Instagram, you kind of see pictures. I kind of, periodically post stuff on Instagram because if you do or do not know, my husband and I, we have our own business, and we have a business called the Treat Shop. So it's a bakery, and we do homemade donuts, and it's very it's a labor of love, and it requires a lot of time. So that's why I don't have a lot of time to get on camera. But I wanted to get on camera today to talk about this because I have been getting questions from folks on Facebook and Instagram about this hair that I've been wearing. So I said, okay, I need to do a YouTube video. All right, guys. So this hair that I'm wearing is from Nirvana Nour. You guys have seen multiple reviews on my channel regarding Nirvana Nour. I love that company. I love what she stands for. I love the fact that she gives you, she's like your personal shopper. She really listens to your needs. And she makes sure that she gives you what you're looking for, especially when you're looking for a certain texture to match your hair. She does have raw hair, which is like, a special blend. So, like I said, she's like your personal shopper when it comes to hair, and I just love that. So this is hair from her Noir collection, and this is raw curly. But this hair is actually, I believe this hair has been steam processed though for the curl pattern, but no chemicals whatsoever. So anyway, this hair, I don't know if you guys, for the old hairs has been rocking with me since the beginning. You know that one of my favorite curl patterns back in the day was Summer Curls by Pure Hair. That was my favorite curl pattern. I loved it. This hair reminds me of my favorite hair that I could never get my hands on again, which was a Summer Curl. So that's what this reminds me of. I mean, that's what it reminds me of. So let me talk about what I got. What I have installed, guys. Well, what I received was two 226-inch bundles and one 24-inch bundle and a 6x6 20-inch closure, which this is the first time I've tried the 6x6 closure, which that means it's 6 inches across the hairline and 6 inches to the back. So that's what I have. That's in 20 inches and two bundles of 26, one bundle of 24. Now I don't have all of that hair installed. What I do have installed is the 26. I have 1.5 bundles of the 26, almost to hold two bundles. I'm just going to say two bundles of 26 and the closure. I don't have the 24 installed because I didn't need to install it because this closure, I'm going to get into that. Yeah, I'm going to get into this closure. Okay, so I've been wearing this hair. I'm just getting on camera, but I have worn this hair and I have installed this hair a couple times. So I wanted to see if this hair would really truly match my texture. So because it just mimicked my natural curl pattern. So I will insert some pictures of how this hair looks without the closure, as well as you guys seeing me rocking the closure right now. But I want to talk about this closure real quick, and I'm not going to hold y'all much longer. With this closure, I'm going to insert some pictures as well of me installing the closure. The closure is, like I said, 6x6. It is a 20 inches, and the lace color was transparent lace. Transparent lace does not really match my skin tone, so I had to tint the lace a little bit. And I'll give you guys a quick little hack on how I tinted my lace. I just didn't have time to do all of that red dye, tea, boiling water stuff. I just didn't have patience for that. So I came up with a quick little hack that might be helpful for you guys. So if you want to know about this quick hack to tint your lace a little bit to match your skin tone, if you are more of a browner girl, I may just put that in this video. I might put it in another video. But anyway, it is transparent lace. I did have to tint the lace some to match my skin tone. But let's get into disclosure. As you can see, okay, I've received closures in the past from hair companies when it comes to curly hair that the closure did not totally, not that it didn't match. It was the curl or wave did not start until probably when you got like down here. So from here, from the root to about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches, you just had like straight hair. The hair was straight. It wasn't wavy. It wasn't curly from the root down. It didn't start to get curly or wavy up until maybe 3-4 inches. And I'm like, what am I supposed to do with that? That don't look right. So I would have to, play around with it, do little tricks to try to make it look like, it's supposed to look. But that's something that always annoyed me. I'm like, why doesn't the curl start at the root of the closure? As you can see with this one, not a problem. Not a problem. I mean, the curl actually starts to wave. I have worn it in a ponytail, just like slick down the ponytail, and it just waves, waves, waves. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is an awesome closure. The closure did come, I wouldn't say, it was somewhat pre-plucked. It wasn't, totally like pre-plucked, but it didn't come very, very wiggy and dense, wiggy, dense look. I did pre-pluck it some, and I did, of course, bleach the knots on it. And I did color it. I colored this hair black. You guys know how I feel about black. So I colored the hair black. It comes in its natural color. So I'll insert pictures as well of how the hair looked when I received it. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on camera real quick. I missed you guys. I got to get back in the mix of doing this again. I mean, it's been a lot going on in the YouTube world. And I was like, ooh, oh, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get back on the camera. I don't know if I want to get involved. But hey, I had to give it some thought. I'm like, you know what? I don't deal with that drama mess. I like having the dialogue with you guys. I really miss the dialogue with you guys. I miss sharing information. I miss learning from you. I miss giving you guys what I've learned. And I just miss that friendship that we had. So yeah, so I wanted to get on camera and show you guys this hair. Okay. Now I'll leave information below on the specifics of the hair, what I received, what I've been wearing, how to get it if you're interested, and yeah. So I'll try to get back on camera soon. I've been wearing this hair for a few weeks, for a few weeks, and this is this is my summer hair. I mean, I've been working out in it. I've been in the hot kitchen with it. It's really easy to maintain. How long have I been on this for? 8 minutes. Okay, sorry y'all, I'm a little rusty. So yeah, so it's been really easy to maintain. Very, wet and go hair. All I do, and actually guys, I wash it probably about once a week. I wash it, and that's because I'm working out. I work out, so I need to wash my hair. So in about probably like, once a week, I wash it, sometimes twice a week, depending on, how I feel. But it's very low maintenance. It's so easy to take care of. All I do is wash it. And honestly, the company has its recommended products. I don't have those products that were recommended in the care sheet that they give you, the little care card. I don't have those products, but it does include a care card with instructions on how to take care of your hair. But I've just been using the products that I have in my shower, and it's been working awesome. Nothing, nothing fancy, nothing expensive. I think I might have been using Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner, and I've been using the argan oil, Moroccan argan oil conditioner. All I do is wash it, put the conditioner on it, let the conditioner sit while I'm taking my shower, rinse it out, and I'll use my vent brush, or some people use Denman brushes, but it's the same thing to me. But I use my vented brush, and I'll detangle from the bottom, work my way up, and I'll take my brush once the hair is totally detangled, and I'll just run it through the entire, length of the hair, and I'll flip it at the end. And when you do that little flip at the end, girl, you're going to get this. You're going to get some awesome, awesome ringlets. So if you like ringlets, this hair will give it to you. Okay, it will give it to you. So it's very easy. All I do in the morning, at night, I just, I pull it back in a ponytail and I put a scarf on and I put my bonnet over top. Some nights I get lazy and I don't do that much, and I just put my bonnet on and I go to sleep. So when I wake up in the morning, I gotta, like kind of like refresh my curls. All I do is get my spray bottle with a little bit of, just a drop of conditioner, and I spray my hair down. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't comb it. I don't have time to comb it in the morning because I get up so early. So I'll just refresh my curls by wetting it with the water and conditioner in the spray bottle. And I just kind of like finger it as to how I want it to look. And I let it go. I just let it air dry and I'm out. Sometimes I will wet it and I'll just twist it up and put it in a little bun in the back and, go about my day. But I'm telling you, this hair is so easy. Anytime I want to style it, this is my styling tool. These two. This is what I use to style my hair. It's that easy. So yeah. Now another thing I want to say. Another pet peeve of mine with hair companies in the past that I've had curly hair from. I'm just going to tell you the truth. I told you guys about the pet peeve of when they send a closure and the closure got this much straight hair and then the rest at the bottom is the curly. Okay, that's a pet peeve. I can't stand that shit. The second thing is when I get some hair that's curly, if I decide, okay, I want to cut some of this hair. When I cut it, I expect my hair to curl back up. I don't expect that when I cut it, I cut the ringlet off, you're done. You have to deal with, it looking kind of straight on the ends. I don't know if you guys have experienced it, but I have. And I'm like, what the hell? Did I get deep wave? And then if I did get deep wave, I don't, this hair, I've cut it. I had to try it to see. I tried. So I took the razor and I went in on it. I wanted to see if this hair would actually spring back up. It did. It did. Okay, so go ahead, Nirvana Nour. Go ahead with your bad self. Obviously, this company pays attention. This company listens to its customers. And this company is striving to be the best. Because I'm going to tell you something. I cut it and I got my ringlets back. Yeah. Like I said, this is 26. But I did go in it a little bit with the razor because I had to add a little more shape to it. But honey, I still got my ringlets. Okay, I still got them. So kudos to you, Nirvana Nour. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get off this camera, and I will talk to you guys soon. I will come back with that quick little hack, maybe in the next video, because I want you guys to, to experience, to know what I know. As far as like, when you run into little complications when it comes to working with lace and working with your sew-ins and installs and stuff. So if it's something that I know, I don't mind sharing with you guys. So I'm gonna share with you guys a little hack that I did and actually worked. I was just in the what was that? In the craft store, and it just hit me one day in the craft store. But I'll share that in the next video. All right, guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. We're going to try this again. I'm rusty.